Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a slightly different video from the last one because today I have so many things to show you. So in the first half of the video, I'm just going to show you our new Hobonichi kits, and then I'll show you a flip through of my current Hobonichi right here. And then we're going to go through how I use these kits in my Hobonichi weeks. So first off, let's get started with all the beautiful kits that we have here. Let's start with this one. So this one is the Happy Terrarium. Let me go through what you have in your sticker sheet. So for this sticker sheet, you have only 2 pages, unlike my usual personal kits, which has 3 pages, because you only really get such a small amount of space to decorate in your Hobonichi weeks. Now, for this kit, you get 3 side or longer stickers right there. The first one has your date cover-ups, and then just a strip there and your checklists. So for each day you get 3 heart checklists right there, and then that goes until Sunday. This sheet also has your boxes, because I really like boxes and I really can't live without using boxes in my planner spreads. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The bigger ones have 2 varieties. First, you have the tall or vertical ones. So you get 2. One of them has that box where you can write whatever it is you want to write on it, and then the other one has a box also, but this one is meant to be horizontally placed. And then you have 2 smaller ones right there. One of them is just decorative, although you can write stuff on here, and the other one has heart checklists as well. And then at the very bottom of the page, you get your weekend, some to-dos, todays, track notes this week, and a lot of deco. The second page has a few more decos and the 2 large boxes that are meant to go at the bottom of your Hobonichi Weeks page. So much deco. So I really wanted to get a lot of decos in the sheet because I feel like Hobonichi Week users prefer to have a lot of decos in their spreads. Okay, so that is your Happy Terrarium. Very summery, very colorful. And this one is a much more muted and very romantic kit, and it is called Emma, from Jane Austen's Emma. Very Regency-like. You still get the same format, so your cover-ups, your checklists. So for here, I moved the checklist from this side to this side because I have been using this at the edge of the page instead of the middle, because it just works that way for me, and I thought that maybe a lot of you girls would also like to do the same thing. Then the boxes. So there's a lot of space here for you to write down things, and your checklists box, deco box, and a lot of deco here at the bottom. Here's even more. So the deco here is slightly bigger than the last one. So if I show you both, there's fewer deco here, but it's so much bigger than this one. There we go. I love this girl, it's so pretty, and this one is just stunning. This is already out in the shop. So this one is out as well as Happy Terrarium. So Emma and Happy Terrarium are both out in the shop. You can purchase it right now. But the next kits I'm going to show you will be out next week. Okay, so the first one is Spring to Life. And as you can see, it's very girly, very floral, and this is meant to go into spring pages. It's the same thing. The checklist has also moved because that's the newest format your boxes. I love this girl is life, and this bird is so cute. And this reminds me a lot of Beauty and Beast. So as you can see, the color of the fonts change depending on the color that is being used for the kit. So here it's a little bit minty. And if you'd like to use this in March, this is perfect for the end of March because you get a little money for Happy Easter. And then this is the second page. So I really love this. It kind of matches this one. If you don't want to use this one because you're using this, then that's completely alright. Maybe you can save that for your notes pages. And also it has fewer decos, but they're much larger than the Happy Terrarium ones, because the Happy Terrarium deco sheet was designed, so I designed it way before I was doing this. So this is the much older format. Well, to be honest, I've only been doing it for one release, and this is just the second. And I've gotten a lot of very positive response about these kits. So this is the second one. This one is called Springtime. Very spring also. This one has a lot more white. Also great for Easter if you'd like to mark that. That's why it's called Springtime, because there's a watch. Clever. I like this heart flower thing going on there. You can also see that in here, in this deco. So you still got that. Sorry about that smudgy bit. This is actually a oops kit because I didn't let the ink dry enough, and then I touched it. Good job. All right. So this one has that pretty girl. I love her so much. I love her hair. So when I got this clip art, it came in a lot of different hair colors, but this one is the one that I feel like matches the kit the best. So that's her, and she is standing in front of giant flowers. Not very realistic. Okay, so that is Springtime once again, and Spring to Life is this. Back here. Okay, and Emma. And last one is Happy Terrarium. So this part of the video is where I will show you what is inside of my Hobonichi Weeks. You can get a Hobonichi Weeks online. They ship out from Japan, so this is a Japanese planner. And a lot of girls like this because the paper is called Tomoe River paper. Oopsies. No, that's secret. Tomoe River paper, as I was saying, is a very special type of paper because it is very thin. As you can see, the other side is actually shadowing, but it can take a lot of different kinds of pens as well as watercolor. So here's the thing. Everything will shadow. Everything will shadow, but nothing will bleed. Well, a lot. Fountain pens and watercolor will not bleed on this paper, but expect a lot of shadowing. If you like that or are okay with that, then this might be a good planner to use for you. So I use mine as my shop planner, and at first I started out with this type of planning, a lot of really cute stickers, but then I wasn't really happy with how it looks like. I mean, it's okay, and it's cute, got a lot of Instagram likes and stuff, but eventually I had to go back to my favored boxes decorating type, which is this one. This is not a Hobonichi kit from the shop, but this is from the shop. This kit is a horizontal kit, and this is called Stupid Love, S2PID from that song. Okay. And this is actually designed to fit inside a mini happy planner and horizontal planner pages. But I cut it up using X-Acto knife so that it'll fit here, and I was like, I miss this kind of planning. This is the way I plan. I have to bring it into this planner or else I will never use this, and it is not cheap. This tiny thing, it cost me nothing because this is a gift, but if you buy it online or if you have a friend in Japan, it's not gonna be cheap. By the way, if you hear noises, that is not my voice. Excuse me for that. I am in the house and people are cleaning, la la la. So I'm sorry, I don't have a filming room. So this was my first attempt at a Hobonichi kit, and I did not like this at all. So you can see I barely touched this page. This is not the way I planned. Okay, but these two stayed, this one stayed, this one stayed, and just a few more boxes stayed. This kit is already out. This is the first Hobonichi kit that I have ever designed that I felt very happy with. I gave this some of my friends, my planner friends who are also using Hobonichi weeks, and they said, this is it. You can't sell this, and people would love it. I personally love it. If you love it, thank you very much for your support, but this one is like the start of all the Hobonichi kits from now on. There may be some changes in the future, but we shall see. So here we go. This is also out in the shop. Oh, by the way, this one is Lovely Girl, and this one is Cacti Love. Both Lovely Girl and Cacti Love are also available in our horizontal kits. So if you have a mini Happy Planner, then you can go ahead and use the mini Happy Planner version for this. This one is last week. I didn't get to plan a lot because I was out of town for a wedding, not mine, by the way. Here we go. So what we're going to do is we are going to plan the week after this. And by the way, this is the way that I pre-plan. I use sticky notes all over the place. So here I mark new releases week. Oh, did I say next week? I meant that these are releasing this week. Pardon me. So this is the way that I plan my days before I decorate them, because I'm actually pre-planned a lot. Ooh, sneak peek! Okay. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see sneak peeks of my future kits. So okay, here we go. So what we're going to do is I am going to go back to that new filming system that I have been doing, which is voiceover, and I'll see you in the end. Bye!
Okay, and we're back for our part 3 in this very long video as it is. And we're pulling out our pre-planning stuff. That clip, I don't know what it is. I don't know where to get it, so please don't ask me. We are using the springtime kit here. And I am going to start with putting down the long boxes. So that long box, just a note, goes aligned with the last line of that page, while the bigger long box is aligned with the line between Saturday and Sunday. For the date cover-ups, you just align that with the top and the line going down. It is not supposed to connect with the very bottom line, so that there's a bit of space at the bottom in between the cover up and the rest of the longer stickers and that horizontally long box. I have to figure out how to name my stickers soon because this is really difficult to describe. Okay, now we're moving on to the decorative boxes. So I used the horizontal one for the top. For this page, you can decorate it the way you want and the way that works for you. If you check out Instagram, you can search for people who have used these kits already. like the Paper Junkie and I think Bookish Crafty Me on Instagram. And for me, I just decorate this depending on my mood for that day. Now we're moving on to the script stickers with the weekend. And what I like to do is to layer a decorative sticker underneath the script stickers so that they stand out more. Now the bigger stickers I usually put in boxes so that it's real pretty. So you can see here, today is on top of a flower sticker. And I don't know why I put that down there. There must be a reason, likely decorative reason. So today and to do goes on there. And then for trackers, I just counted the stuff that I track. So I track social media for this planner because this is my shop planner and social media is very important. I'm doing the same thing. I'm layering the script sticker on top of a decorative sticker, and I had 1 or 2 decorative stickers left, and I just put that all over the page. Just a little bit of structure because I really like structures. So here I'm showing you our new releases, our new icon stickers. I am so excited. They're called the Joy stickers, and they will retail for 35 pesos for each sticker sheet. That is under $1, guys. Really good value. You get a ton of stickers for each sheet right there, and each sticker is about 0.75 inch, so quarter of an inch each. I just have a few right now to show you in this video, but I do have, I think, 40 sheets of these individual sheets, and I used up all the stickers from my Hobonichi weeks, so you can see there, and I'm putting back that clip, and there we go. Thank you so much for watching. Thanks again for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of Plan With Me's using my kits and other kinds of stickers from other shops here in the Philippines. And if you really like the stuff, please go ahead and go to paperjoyph.com and buy all our stuff. That's our dog. She's saying hello and also goodbye. Buy our stuff! Yay!